Hi everybody, this is Annette. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If this is your first time in my channel, thank you. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video because it helps grow my channel. And also to hit that ring bell besides the subscribe button because it reminds you of future videos if you haven't done that. Well, today I bring you this gorgeous pearl flower necklace. This is one of the kits from Beadpark. If you haven't seen my unboxing, I'm going to leave it on the iCard somewhere up here so you can click on it and watch it. And thanks to them, we got these kits for me to make for you guys a couple of videos so you can see how to make the actual kit. So let's get started. I have already taken the opportunity to do a couple of links already in advance because I didn't want this video to be too long, but this is exactly what we're going to be doing. The necklace chain pearl that they offer, which I'm talking about this, is pretty substantial. So if you want a really long necklace, you can definitely do that. And I have chosen to do that. So let's see how long this is going to be. Let me pull out my, my ruler here. So I want a 20-inch necklace, which means that from this point right here, which is going to be my end, to the bottom of the actual necklace, I want 20 inches. So what I did was I took and I measured 5 inches in between links from the first one all the way down. So if I put my ruler right here, or my measuring tape or whatever you have on hand that you can use, I counted 5. So this will be my last pearl. So then here is my first link. So I did that consecutively all the way around. Now I want this to be like the bottom part. I want them to be like this, side by side, which is perfect because then I have 5 inches here and then 5 inches on each side. And then I have my 5 inches here, which is what we're going to do. So for sake of, time, I'm just going to do this one and we're going to do the closures. Okay, so let's get into that. So I'm going to measure 5 from this pearl to this pearl is 5 inches. So I am going to open this link right here, which is fun because if you totally don't want to open this and you want to use, or you're always going to have to open it, but if you want to use the jump ring, it brings you jump rings to do that. So that's pretty cool that you're able to do that. I don't want to ruin the actual wire, so I opened it the wrong way. I'm sorry. Okay, so we're going to undo this part right here. We're going to grab one of the links. And the cool thing about these links is that they're the same front and back. So it doesn't matter how you put it in. It's going to look the same. There you go. And then on the next one, I'm going to open it right here. And I'm going to put this one in here. Okay, and there you go. So now I have quite a bit of pearls here, which is fine because if I wanted by chance, if I needed to, let's say, create some earrings, I still have some pearls here left over to create some earrings with these because I still have 4. You don't have to do that. You can definitely put additional links on the chain if you want to on the pearl chain, but I didn't see it necessary. I think with 6 is more than enough. So we're going to do, you can do this a couple of ways. Okay, and let me remove this from here. You can definitely use a clasp, 2 jump rings, and the chain link right here. Okay, for this closure. So we're going to do that for the purpose of showing you how to do it. But you don't have to do that. You can totally open this and close it right here and just do it like that because this is big enough and wide enough that it will fit through your head. But if you want it longer, then you definitely want to add the chain link, the jump ring, and the lobster clasp. And that's what we're going to do. That is exactly what we're going to do. So I am grabbing my jump ring. These come halfway open, which is fine with me. We are going to hold it in place there. We're going to put the chain through this. This is just an extender. Okay, keep saying chain link, but it's an extender. we're going to close this. Okay. This is the extender, which is perfect fine. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure this right here because I want this other side to be exactly the same. So this is 5 inches. So we're going to do the same with the other side. Here we go. We have 5, so it's up to here. So we're going to have a little bit of that chain left over. And I can close this because I'm going to put a jump ring in there. So I don't need this to be open. Let's do that. Make sure that's closed. I am going to grab another jump ring, grab some pliers, and we're going to put it through the hole. Same with the clasp. We're going to put it through there. I'm going to close this. Okay. And then we have it all finished. If you wanted to put a little pearl at the end here, you can do that just as a decoration. That would look really cute. But there is my necklace. I'm going to fold it in two just like that because I want you guys to see it. Right here. Isn't that pretty? That turned out to be really pretty. So since we have a little bit of chain right here, and we do have a couple of these links, I can try to put 2 of these, one on top, one on bottom, one on top, one on bottom. The only thing here is that you will have a loop at the end. But if you have a head pin, you can definitely take one of these pearls, put the head pin in, and just make a finish to that. So this will be a little chain like that. Or if you want to divide this, I'm just going to show you. I'm not going to make it, but I'm going to show you what you could do with it. Okay. I'm going to open this. I'm going to close it. And there you have it. You can totally have a beautiful earring hanging like that, or you can do it on the opposite. You can put it at the top like this and have your ear wire from here and let the pearls hang. So you have an option there. You can use these by themselves and just hang one pearl down here. There's so many options with it. You can take this and create your own bracelet, so you still have extras. And I do appreciate that they give you extras on the kit if you don't want to use them all for the actual necklace. So you may think that's not enough. These are not enough, but they are. You can create your own necklace. You can do a pair of earrings, and you still have, you see that pair of earrings, and you still have 2 more where you can do them linked together as a bracelet. So you have a kit that works. It functions for many different things that you want to create. Okay, you guys, that's the end of the video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Please leave me your comments down below. Give it a thumbs up like I mentioned. And until next time, God bless.